Today, we will explore the process of building a ship, a complex procedure that requires the integration of various advanced techniques and technologies. From the initial design phase to the launch and operational deployment of the vessel, each step plays a crucial role in creating a high-quality, safe and efficient ship. The process of building a ship begins with the design and planning phase. Marine engineers and architects work together to create detailed drawings of the ship, including its structure, propulsion systems, and interior fittings. Safety, performance, and economic factors are also carefully considered during this stage. Once the design is completed, the drawings are approved, and a detailed plan for the construction process is developed. Once the plan is ready, the next step is to prepare the necessary materials, primarily steel. The steel will be cut into the required shapes and sizes based on the design drawings. This cutting process is typically carried out using modern CNC cutting machines, which ensure high precision and save time. After the steel plates are cut, they are assembled together to form large modules or blocks of the ship. These blocks are then welded together to create the overall structure of the vessel. The welding process requires high skill and precision, as the welds must ensure strength and durability. Once the ship's structure is completed, the next step is to install the propulsion systems, including the engines, generators, and transmission systems. Additionally, other systems such as electrical, plumbing, HVAC, and safety systems are also installed during this phase. Each system must be thoroughly tested to ensure proper operation and safety. The next phase is the finishing and interior decoration of the ship. Living quarters, dining rooms, recreational areas, and other functional spaces are installed and decorated according to the initial design standards. The interior finishing ensures not only aesthetics, but also comfort and convenience for passengers and crew. Before launching, the ship must undergo thorough inspections and testing. These checks include water tightness tests, propulsion system tests, safety inspections, and performance evaluations. Any issues discovered are promptly addressed to ensure the ship meets all standards before it is launched. After completing the inspections and tests, the ship will be launched, an important step that marks the completion of the shipbuilding process. The vessel is moved out of the shipyard and placed into the water. Subsequently, the ship undergoes several sea trials to ensure all systems function properly. Finally, the ship is handed over to the owner and officially put into service. The process of building a ship is complex and meticulous, requiring the coordination of various advanced techniques and technologies. From the initial design phase to the launch and operational deployment, each step plays a crucial role in creating a high-quality, safe and efficient vessel.